You know, if you've ever tried to upgrade your audio system, you've probably run into this problem. You just don't know what to upgrade next. And whatever you choose, it just never feels quite like the right move. Hey, I'm Bruce with Desktop Hi-Fi, and this channel is all about real-world performance, meaningful specs, and helping you build a system that actually makes sense without getting lost in all that marketing fluff. So if that sounds like you, hey, consider subscribing. You know, there used to be a clear upgrade path in Hi-Fi. You know, you start with a basic system and then improve each part step by step. You know, the source, the amplifier, the speakers, and each upgrade, well, they made sense. And the improvements were a lot easier to hear. It was a more linear process at that time. But today, that model just doesn't really work anymore. You see, modern gear is already really very good, even at the lower price points. And some improvements, you know, they're just smaller, harder to hear, and more system dependent instead of a clear path. You're left with choices that all seem equally valid. So people end up doing what feels logical. They upgrade what's easiest, a new DAC, a new amp, a new accessory. But without a clear strategy, those upgrades, they just don't always lead to any really meaningful improvements at all. I think part of the problem is how the hobby is presented these days. You see, reviews focus on individual products, not complete systems. So you're constantly evaluating pieces in isolation instead of understanding how everything works together. Now, but audio doesn't work that way. Your system is a chain, and the overall result is limited by the weakest link, or sometimes by how well everything matches together. And that's why random upgrades, you know, they often just don't deliver what you expect. The upgrade path isn't broken because the gear is bad. It's broken because of the old way of thinking no longer fits how good modern gear has become. You can't just upgrade step by step and expect clear results. No, not anymore. I think a better approach is to think in terms of your entire system. Take a holistic approach, if you will, and ask yourself, what is actually limiting what I'm hearing? Is it the speakers, the headphones, the room, the way everything maybe is connected and used? You know, that's where meaningful upgrades actually start. You know, for example, upgrading your speakers or headphones will usually have a bigger impact than upgrading your DAC, for example. Improving your setup or positioning, that can matter much more than swapping electronics. Those are the kinds of changes that actually move the needle. So the upgrade path isn't gone, it just isn't obvious anymore. And the key is learning how to think about your system as a whole, or holistically. So I'm curious, what's the last upgrade you made? And did it actually make a difference? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.